Hello students, I am your English teacher and today we are going to study a new lesson, a new chapter. So let's start a new lesson. It's chapter number 13. Its name is Degree of Comparison. सबसे पहले डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन को समझने से पहले हमें एक चीज़ समझना ज़रूरी है कि डिग्री के बारे में हम लोग बात किसके बारे में कर रहे हैं। डिग्री में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं एडजेक्टिव की। व्हाट अबाउट? इट्स अबाउट एडजेक्टिव। लेट्स सी व्हाट इज एडजेक्टिव। इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस राजेश इज क्लेवर. Rajesh is clever. So this word clever is an adjective. How we can understand an adjective? The definition of adjective is a word which tells about the noun or pronoun. So dear students, as I was telling that clever word is an adjective. Okay, how we can understand? An adjective is a word which tells about any noun or pronoun. Here Rajesh is a noun. Okay, that's why who is clever? Rajesh is clever. मतलब means this word clever is telling about Rajesh. Same thing, Manish is cleverer than Rajesh. Manish is also clever and Rajesh is also clever. Kapil is the cleverest. Kapil is also clever. So in this three sentence, clever word is an adjective. Okay. So now we have understood about the adjective. Now we are going to understand about the degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. Comparison means to compare one to each other, one to other peoples. It is called degree of comparison. So as per the level of adjective, there are three degree of comparison. First one is called positive, second one is called comparative, and third one is called superlative. Okay, let's see this degree of comparison. As you can see here, sentence 1, we are not comparing Rajesh to anyone. Here is only one student, his name is Rajesh and he is clever. In this sentence no other student is there comparing with him. Okay, so that's why Rajesh is single, no compare with others. It is called positive. It is called positive degree. Okay, second sentence, we are comparing two persons, Rajesh and Manish, and saying Manish is cleverer than Rajesh. Okay, here are two persons, Manish and Rajesh. We are making comparison between Rajesh and Manish. So that's why it is comparative degree. It is comparative degree. Superlative degree. Kapil is the cleverest. Kapil is the cleverest student of his class. कहने का मतलब ये है कि कपिल अपने क्लास में सबसे होशियार लड़का है. वो एक से या दो से नहीं, सबसे होशियार लड़का है. इसलिए जो यहाँ पे जो क्लेवरेस्ट वर्ड है वो हो जाएगा सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. क्या हो जाएगा? सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. कहने का मतलब ये होता है इसमें कि अगर जब हम किसी से सिर्फ एडजेक्टिव होता है और उसका किसी से कंपेयर नहीं करते हैं तो वो होता है पॉजिटिव डिग्री. अगर दो चीज़ों के बीच में कंपेयर होता है तो उसे कहते हैं कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. अगर किसी एक चीज़ का बहुत सारी चीज़ों में सबसे अच्छा जो चीज़ होता है, सबसे बेहतर जो चीज़ होता है, सबसे बड़ा होता है, उसकी जब हम उसकी बात करते हैं तो उसे कहते हैं सुपरलेटिव डिग्री। सुपर यहाँ वर्ड से ही समझ में आता है पॉजिटिव। पॉजिटिव मतलब किसी एक ही व्यक्ति के बारे में बता रहा है। कंपैरेटिव, कंपैरेटिव मीन्स कंपेयर करना, तो दो चीज़ों के बीच में ही कंपेयर होता है। सुपर, सुपर मतलब होता है सबसे अच्छा, तो सबसे अच्छा का मतलब होता है वहाँ पे जितने भी चीज़ें होंगी, जितने भी लोग होंगे, उन सबसे अच्छा। सो दैट्स वाई यू हैव, आई थिंक you have understood this positive, comparative and superlative degree. Okay, now let's understand. Let's talk about the formation of comparative and superlative degree of adjective. किसी एक पॉजिटिव डिग्री से कंपैरेटिव डिग्री और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री कैसे बनाया जाता है, इसके बारे में हम लोग समझते हैं। पहले हम लोग देखते हैं लास्ट में ER ऐड करके, कोई भी अगर पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव है, पॉजिटिव डिग्री का एडजेक्टिव है, यहाँ का एडजेक्टिव है, उसे इसमें बनाने के लिए और फिर इसमें बनाने के लिए क्या चीज़ जोड़ते हैं, पहले हम लोग देखते हैं फॉर्मूला ER। लास्ट में किसी वर्ड के लास्ट में अगर ER जोड़ दिया जाए एडजेक्टिव में, इन द लास्ट ऑफ द वर्ड ऑफ एनी एडजेक्टिव वर्ड, सो इट बिकम्स कंपैरेटिव डिग्री एंड ER ऐड कर लिया पॉजिटिव डिग्री से। पॉजिटिव डिग्री से हम लोग सुपरलेटिव डिग्री बनाते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम लोग जोड़ देते हैं ST या EST। इसके हम लोग कैसे समझ सकते हैं, मैं आपको यहाँ पे कुछ एग्जांपल्स दिखाता हूँ, उससे हम लोग बहुत इजीली समझ सकते हैं। फर्स्ट, दिस इज द पॉजिटिव डिग्री। बोल्ड, बोल्ड, वी आर एडिंग ER in the last here, bolder, bolder, so it becomes positive degree to comparative degree. Last one EST, boldest, EST, from bold to boldest, it becomes superlative degree. Okay, second example, young is positive degree. To make its comparative degree, we are adding ER. Younger, younger, okay, it is comparative degree. Last one, superlative degree, it's youngest. What is it? It is youngest. Okay, so like that you can change the positive degree to comparative degree to superlative degree, or the positive, comparative and superlative degree. Okay, let's see the another formula, all the rules of creating superlative degree, positive degree and comparative degree. Okay, okay, second example is adding R and ST. R and ST. Okay, let's see. Fine, here is fine and here is finer, finest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Okay, next next rule is Y, adding Y, by BY, changing Y into I and adding ER and EST, just like happy, happier. Y is changing into I, Y is changing into I. Look at here, HAPPY, Y is changing with I and we are adding last ER. Okay, and last EST, EST. So happy, happier, happiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. So this one is also a rule of changing the degree by doubling the last consonant and then adding ER and EST. Hot, we are doubling the last consonant T. Hotter, what? Hotter, hottest, hottest. Red, redder, redder, reddest, reddest. Thin, thinner, thinner, thinnest, thinnest. Fat, fatter, fatter, fattest, fattest. So I think you have understood how we are changing from positive degree to comparative degree and from positive degree to superlative degree. Let's see another rules. By adding more before comparative and most before comparative, superlative degree of adjective having 2 or more syllables. Let's see how we have to perform this. Careful, we are adding the more word to make comparative degree and most word to make superlative degree. Careful, more careful, most careful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Okay, so this is also one of the rule of changing the degree of adjective. Let's see another rule. In this rule, some adjectives do not follow any rules. We have to remember them. We have to remember them. Just like bad. Bad is not following the rule of adding er, est, r, e, y in the place of I. So it doesn't follow any rules. So these are called irregular. You can say these are not regular as per rule. So these are called exceptional words. Just like bad, worse, worst, far, further, farthest, far, further, furthest, good, better, best, little, less, least, many, more, most. So these words do not follow any of the above mentioned rules. Okay, students. In the next page also here are some more words, just like much, more, most, late, little, latest, or the last, in, inner, inmost, innermost, up, upper, uppermost, upmost, out, outer, outmost, outermost, for, former, foremost. So these are the irregular words. You have to learn these words. Okay, so students, I think you all have understood very well to the changing the degree of adjective. Okay, and this lesson is called degree of comparison. Okay, because we are comparing one thing to another thing, so you have to these things in our exercises also. Let's do some exercise to understand very properly these things. Okay, so students, this is your exercise 1 and the question number A. Write down the correct degree of adjective in the space provided. Bold. How can we make comparative degree? This is the rule number 1. Rule number 1 is ER, bold. Bolder. Okay, and next one, boldest, BOLDEST, boldest. Okay, outer, you can see the outer, it should be the first one is positive degree should be out, outer, and outermost, uttermost. What will be it? Uttermost, UTTERMOST. This exercise, it will be dependent on your learning. So I have done 2 for you, and rest of all the exercise you have to do by learning the lesson we have learned before. Okay, so you have to do these all 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 10 you have to do in your book. Okay, let's go to the next page. So in the next page There is question number B. It is the fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives. Means we have to fill up with the correct form of the adjective. Correct form means correct degree of adjective. It can be the comparative degree, superlative degree, or the positive degree. Okay, let's go. Take the sort of the two roots. Comparison between two is, what should it be? Sort should be shorter, because there is compare between two things. Okay, that's why we'll go for the comparative degree, and comparative degree of sort is shorter. What it will be? SHORTER, shorter. Let's see the another example. Lead is the of all metals. All metals means more than two things, comparison of more than two things. So we will use here superlative degree, and the superlative degree of heavy is heaviest, because in the last you can see this is the Y, or Y will be changed into I, and last will be superlative degree. That's why we'll add EST. Okay, let's see. HEAVIS. This is not E, this is ST. Sorry, heaviest. So the students, the superlative degree of heavy is heaviest, EST. Okay, same thing you have to do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 10th you have to do in your book. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. It is correct the following sentence according to the degree. We first of all we have to find out the degree and the adjective. After that we have to change them as per the sentence. We have to first of all be careful about the comparison, situation of comparison. If they are comparing with the two things, comparison between two things, so it is comparative degree, and we have to add R, ER and simple formula of comparative degree. Okay, if it is comparing with the more than two or a lot of things, so you have to go for the superlative degree. And if you are going for the superlative degree, so you have already understood about the how to change superlative degree. Okay, so you have to follow these rules and you have to solve this exercise. Let me solve the first one. Bombay is far from Simla than Delhi. This is the adjective, and Bombay is being compared with the Simla and Delhi. You can understand this word. This is the very important word which tells you about that any sentence is belonging to the superlative degree or the comparative degree. If there is then word, so you can easily understand that it is belonging from the comparative degree. So we have to change this word for into comparative degree. What is the comparative degree of far? FAR, far means होता है दूर. दूर को हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? फर्दर. क्या यूज करते हैं? फर्दर. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? लेट मी कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस. बॉम्बे, BOMBAY, बॉम्बे is farther, FARTHER, farther from Simla. Simla. Simla is the name of city. That's why S is capital. Simla. Then Delhi. Delhi is the also name of city. That's why it will, D will be capital. Okay. Let's I complete another one. Let's solve the second number 2. Saila is more beautiful of all the class. Okay, can you, it is comparison between two things or two peoples? No, it is comparison between more than two peoples, because it is Sila is being compared with all the class. That's why here we have to change this more word into the superlative degree. Let's see how we have to change Sila. S-H-E-I-L-A. Sila is the. More will be changed into most. Most beautiful of all the girls. Understood? So we have to careful about this word the. If any sentence is belonging to the superlative degree, so definitely adjective before the adjective there will be the sentence, sorry, the word. Okay, if it is belonging to the comparative degree, so there will be then word. What? Then word. These are the two identification of how to recognize any superlative sentence or any comparative degree sentence. These are the identification marks. Okay, so I think you have understood very well and you can complete this task very easily. Okay, let's go to the next page. In the next page here we can see question number D. There are two adjectives in each of the following sentences. Underline the adjectives and write against each sentence whether they form a pair of antonyms or synonyms. So, तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है? There are two adjectives. दो एडजेक्टिव होंगे, है ना, एक सेंटेंस में. Underline the adjective and write against each sentence whether they are from the pair of synonyms or antonyms. कहने का मतलब है उन दोनों एडजेक्टिव को हमें फाइंड आउट करना है और दोनों एडजेक्टिव का हमें एंटोनिम्स बनाना है या फिर सिनोनिम्स. अगर सिनोनिम्स है तो एंटोनिम्स बनाना है, एंटोनिम्स है तो सिनोनिम्स बनाना है. ठीक है, चलिए लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. डिड यू रीड हाउ द अगली frog turned into a handsome princess? So this one is also an adjective word and this is also an adjective word. So we have to change with the adjective. ugly, ugly, ugly means बदसूरत. बदसूरत का क्या करना है, हमें चेंज करना है. तो बदसूरत का क्या हो जाएगा? हैंडसम. हैंडसम and handsome will change with the ugly. handsome change हो जाएगा ugly में. ठीक है, ऐसे ही आपको सारे सेंटेंस में आपको करना है. मैं आपको अंडरलाइन कर देता हूँ, उसको आपको चेंज करना है. cheerful, joyful, silent and peaceful. Here is organized and disarranged. दिस वन इज़ नैरो एंड ब्रॉड। तो आपको इन सारे सेंटेंस का सिनोनिम्स और एंटोनिम्स के प्लेस पे उसको चेंज करना है और सेंटेंस उससे सेंटेंस की मीनिंग बदल जाएगी और सेंटेंस एक नया मीनिंग के साथ एक नया सेंटेंस बन जाएगा। So I hope you have understood these all these things and you have to do these all things in your book. Okay dear students, okay, we'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.